the hydraulic actuator for driving the power plant, and turbine main steam control valve is key equipment in nuclear and thermal power plants that controls the output of the turbine by controlling the amount of steam supplied to the turbine. As it is such important equipment, high durability and reliability are required. But the fact that it is difficult to perform a total inspection has always held us back. In order to solve this problem, Future Automation developed the Turbine Valve Actuator Tester, and this provides dramatic improvement in regards to total inspection problem. As the world's first innovative product, Turbine Valve Actuator Tester has made successful field demonstration and numerous supply records. It is a failure prediction solution that can prevent cutback, reduce costs, and secure the safety and reliability of the main turbine system with practical preventive maintenance through preliminary inspection using turbine valve actuators. In particular, the safety and reliability of the main turbine system can be secured by conducting a pre-inspection and test operation before system feed-in in a new power plant for the first time. The problem of the existing troubleshooting is that the actuator, which weighs 2 to 5 tons, must be separated from the turbine system. As a result, huge maintenance costs were incurred, and it was difficult to secure the safety and reliability of the main turbine system. Turbine Valve Actuator Tester is the solution to the problems of the current maintenance technology. Turbine Valve Actuator Tester is capable of diagnosing actuator failure and system oil flushing at the same time. The maintenance and replacement cycle can be known by the failure prediction algorithm according to the data analysis of the pre-inspection result, so the reliability of power plant service is high. In addition, it is a proven innovative new product in the field of power plants, with a number of successful supply history to nuclear power plants, thermal power plants, and combined cycle power plants. The diagnostic block module is installed in place after taking out the shutoff valve, ETS solenoid valve, and servo valve attached to the actuator. Turbine Valve Actuator Tester is a system that supplies test pressure through the hydraulic line connection and performs fault detection. Diagnostic result data can be saved and printed out as a report. Based on the overlap report, the system compares and analyzes the previous cycle and the current cycle, checks for changes in soundness, and provides a failure and life expectancy solution based on big data. Practical preventive maintenance through pre-inspection with Turbine Valve Actuator Tester reduces maintenance and diagnosis costs, improves the operation rate by preventing cutback in advance, and secures the safety and reliability of the main turbine system. For small technology to become a big driving force, invest in the future. Grow with Future Automation's TVAT.